Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share how you can make some easy, quick, and affordable candle holders using this particular product from Dollar Tree. So guys, I wanted to show you this inspirational picture that I saw on Pinterest, and this is from CB2. This is something similar that I wanted to make. So what I'm going to do is start by putting two blocks together, and I'm going to do a short candle holder, and I'm going to put together 5 rows of this. And then after I have my 5 rows, I'm just going to stack all of them on top of each other. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the same process. I know you're probably like, what in the world is going on? So basically I'm creating 4 sides for this candle holder, and I am creating 2 of those sides at this moment. Now I'm going to create the other 2 sides, which is going to be a shorter stack, and I'm going to put 2 blocks together, creating 3 rows, and then I'm going to stack them all together. You want to make sure you're taking your time with this and stacking them and making sure that they are completely aligned. Now I'm going to repeat the same process and make the last side. Now that I have the 4 sides for the candle holder, I'm going to place the larger stacks flat down, and I'm going to put 1 piece of block in the center of each. So the reason why I am placing the block in the middle is so that I could stop the candle that I put in the candle holder from going all the way down. Now it's time to paint, and what I'm going to use is my Craft Smart black craft paint, and I'm just going to use a sponge brush and just paint all 4 sides. I decided to go ahead and make a second candle holder using the remaining blocks that I had. I used only 3 packages. That's $3. Now that the paint has dried, I'm going to go ahead and attach all 4 sides together using my hot glue gun. The glue dries pretty quick, but while it's drying, you want to make sure you hold it steady. Now we have a candle holder. Next, I'm going to add a second coat of black paint just to make sure that it looks aesthetically pleasing. Okay, now that the paint has dried, it's time to give it some oomph to it. So what I'm gonna do is add some tacky glue and put it on a sponge brush and kind of sprinkle it on. And what I'm going to do is add some gold leaf to this. This tacky glue gets tacky pretty quick, so I'm going to go ahead and press down a sheet of gold leaf, and then I'm just gonna rub it around to make it more of a distressed look. And just keep pressing wherever I want to have it. Now that I have done this project already, I recommend using an adhesive size that is specific for gold leafing. Make sure that it is tacky before you apply the gold leaf. After I applied the gold leaf, I just took a clean brush and brushed off any excess that's on there. I found these candles also at the Dollar Tree, and I thought these were perfect for the candle holders. These require a AAA battery, only 2 AAA batteries, and what you do is pop the batteries in and then twist it one way to turn the light on and then twist it the other way to turn the candle off. And it comes with a little cap. I thought was awesome. It is rubbery, so what I'm going to do is place a little bit of hot glue at the bottom of it and center it inside the candle holder that I just made. That rubber part is going to serve as the placeholder when I want to put in the candle. It will sit perfectly where it needs to. Here's how it turned out. So, do you think you're gonna make some? Thanks guys for watching. Until next time, have a great week.